Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to build a beautiful WooCommerce shop page using ShopEngine plus Elementor. Before we begin, here's what you'll need. WooCommerce plugin activated, Elementor, ShopEngine plugin, free or pro. Once those are ready, let's jump in. First, go to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to ShopEngine Builder Templates. Add New. Here, we're creating a shop page template. Give it a name and under page type, choose Shop. Make sure Enable Active is set to Yes. Then pick a sample design if you want a head start, or we'll build it from scratch. Now that the template is created, click Edit with Elementor. This will open the Elementor editor where we'll design our shop page live. Inside Elementor, first pick a layout structure. This determines where your headings, filters, and products will go visually. Now starts the fun part, adding widgets. Search for and drag in the following ShopEngine widgets. Archive products. This shows the products themselves. Product filters. Let customers sort products. Products per page filter. Helps customers choose how many products to view per page. And lastly, order by filter. Customize each widget. Change colors, spacing, whatever fits your brand. Once everything looks good, hit Publish. And that's it! You've just created a custom WooCommerce shop page using ShopEngine and Elementor. No coding, just drag and drop.